our channel, Exploring It All. I'm Miraculous Girl. Join me and my dad will re-explore subscription boxes, the outdoors, deer and aquarium, and other fun things and places. Before we get started, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Ding! Thanks for watching!
Well, thank you for that amazing introduction, Miraculous Girl. Great work. Miraculous Girl stuck me with a sticker. I'm going to stick this aside. Get it? Stick. Anyway, as you can see, we have a box here. This has the pilfer-proof tape warning. So, those of you that know where this probably came from. That's right, the pilfer-proof tape means this came from Victorinox. You guys just recently watched me open up this Hunter Pro. One thing I noticed that I didn't know when I did the initial review is the markings on the blades here on both sides, the Swiss made and the Victorinox. These are actually engraved into the blade. I really like this knife, and that's why we're going to be taking a look at this one. Once again, no frills here. So this is a Hunter Pro Alox. A little bit different, nice packaging. Hopefully the lights are not reflecting too bad. You guys can see it. So open up the box and this is what we have. Now there's a reason I got this particular one. It's really nice, I really like it. Look, we get a lanyard with it. And this is the silver. Initially, I thought it was coming in it was available in the Thunder Gray. It is not. Maybe they'll change, but then people would be mad if they change too. Trying to see. Comes with the standard paperwork here. Put that back in there. And what I've noticed in this paperwork is it shows you how to remove the clip. You can take the clip on and off, and it shows you how to do that. Also actually kind of shows you how to put the lanyard on, but that shouldn't be too difficult. Shows you all the features of how to use this knife. So let's take a look here. Let's go ahead and put this lanyard on here. You just poke the end through here. I like these lanyards when you go to put it in your pocket. You have a lanyard hanging out and it helps you pull it out. So it has a pocket clip on it. There is a spot here for an engraving on the Hunter Pro. It has the year on there. This one I did not order any type of engraving. And as you can see, the blade shape on this one's a little bit different. It has jimping on the end here, but you also have the hole here, and that makes for one-handed opening. Now, the lockback position is still over here in the middle, and so it is not going to be a one-handed closing knife because you have to push that lock. But it has that same kind of, I guess it's a satin finish on it. like I said, it does have the hole in here. And again, the emblem, the name, the Victorinox, and the Swiss made on the blades here are engraved. They are not stamped in or something. They're etched in kind of deep. They're not just printed on or anything like that. They just look a little different than the way they usually are to me. You have a drop point blade. It's really nice. I like the sound of these knives when they close. Really nice knife. I really like that Thunder Gray one. That was the first one of these lockback knives that I ever purchased. So let's do some knife stuff here. We'll do a little paper test. It's very sharp. I can tell I'm doing that. That's me. Because this will do. This will shave the paper. It's nice. I like that. I like the shape of that. That's awesome. I'm going to have to jump into my bag of leftovers. Paracord here. This is just your standard 550. We'll do a little bit of a slice test here. Wow. You can see me just kind of pushing forward on that. Slices it. Let's do pull through. Looks like I did a splice on that at one point. Pulls through fairly easily. Slices even better. You can see I'm barely pushing that. Really nice. Sliced into my mat there. Really nice. So that's a look at the Victorinox Hunter Pro Alox. This is just the standard one. Currently you can get the Thunder Gray. The price is actually about the same on that. And you might even still be able to get the Tiger Orange from 2021. This one, like I said, is the one-handed opening version with that hole. Sometimes it's easier than others, but you can do it. I like it. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and remember, be nice to each other.